You're standing outside the Oval Office. You're wearing a tactical suit, earpiece in. Your job, to be the human shield for the most powerful person on Earth. Welcome to the elite life of a presidential Secret Service agent. This isn't just security. It's a 24/7 game of chess where one wrong move costs a life. Are you ready to see what it takes to protect the leader of the free world? This is your life, from rookie to agent in charge. Level 1, the rookie, fresh out of the academy. You think you're ready? Think again. You're not in the action yet. Your first assignment is perimeter security for a small campaign rally. You're standing for 12 hours straight. Your task? Watch the crowd. Scan every hand, every face, every bag. It's monotonous, exhausting, but any one of these faces could be a threat. Stay sharp. Level 2, crowd control. You've been promoted to the Motorcade team. The president is arriving at a major public event. Your job is to create a secure path. The crowd is pressing against the barriers. They want a handshake, a picture. You have to be firm, but polite. Sir, please step back, you say. Your eyes are constantly moving, scanning for anything unusual. A bag left behind. A hand that dips too quickly into a jacket pocket. You are the first line of defense. Level 3, Motorcade security. You're now inside the Beast, the president's armored limousine. You're part of a 50-vehicle motorcade. Your eyes are glued to the road ahead. You're looking for suspicious vehicles, roadside bombs, potential sniper positions. Communication is key. Eagle is on the move. Route is green. The tension is palpable. Every overpass, every turn is a potential kill zone. Level 4, inside the wire. You've earned a spot on the detail that travels with the president. You're inside a secure building, a hotel conference center. This is a different kind of pressure. You're sweeping rooms for listening devices and explosives. You're vetting every staff member, from the caterers to the sound engineers. You are the shadow, always one step ahead. Level 5, international travel. The president is on a state visit to a foreign country. This is a logistical nightmare. You have to coordinate with local security forces whose methods and loyalties you don't fully trust. You're on high alert, dealing with unknown terrain and potential foreign intelligence threats. Every detail, from the flight path of Air Force One to the secure communication lines, has to be perfect. Level 6, the advanced team. You're part of the small group that arrives at a location days, even weeks, before the president. Your job is to create a secure bubble. You're mapping out exit routes, identifying hospitals, and setting up secure communications. You're meeting with local law enforcement, vetting hotels, and establishing a secure perimeter. You are the architects of safety. Level 7, close protection. You've made it. You're one of the elite few who are always within arm's reach of the president. You're the human shield. This is the ultimate test of your training. You're constantly scanning for threats. You're prepared to make the ultimate sacrifice. You are the last line of defense. Sir, we need to move, you say. Your eyes never leave the president. Level 8, the threat. Intelligence comes in. A credible threat has been identified. A sniper has been spotted. Your world shrinks. Every shadow is a potential assassin. You're on high alert. You're checking and rechecking every detail. You're coordinating with the counter-sniper team. The pressure is suffocating. This is what you've trained for. Stay focused. Level 9, the attack. It happens. Shots ring out. Your instincts kick in. Get down, you scream, pushing the president to the ground. You're drawing your weapon, scanning for the source of the gunfire. Chaos erupts. The motorcade speeds away. You're on the move, always keeping the president shielded. This is the moment of truth. Stay calm. Follow your training. Level 10. The agent in charge. You've survived it all. You're now the leader of the presidential detail. You're responsible for the safety of the president and their family. You're making the big decisions. You're coordinating with the White House Chief of Staff and the National Security Advisor. The weight of the world is on your shoulders. This is the pinnacle of your career. Be proud. You are the ultimate protector. If you guys enjoyed this video, then please like this video and subscribe for upcoming interesting videos. Thanks for watching.